I really love the way that you say about this
Yeah.
thing. It is a very good opportunity that people choose to work in a startup. I even heard that co-cubes
So
don't give much opportunity to a student. They try to bribe the.
now the fast moving things are Python, and they can concentrate on the data science as well, and Amazon's services.
Hey guys, welcome back to TechnoJob. Today I am back with one fresh interview on DXC interview experience. This is a startup company, and a friend of mine who was selected for this company is now giving the interview so that we can have a overall idea about how was the interview overall experience and everything about that. We will start the interview with him, trying to know about each and every details about the salary, about the job, and what was the programming language, and what is the website recommendation, or there are so many other things as well. And also the most important thing, what was the salary package, and is he working still, or what is the current situation about that company. So let's get started. So hey Uday, welcome to our TechnoJob
Hello,
channel.
Arvind.
Can we have your introduction?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. I'm an engineering graduate in the stream of electrical and electronics, and I'm working for DXC Technology as a product developer since
Okay.
1.5 years.
And what is the year that you were passed out?
Yeah, I passed out in the year 2019.
Okay. Moment. When was the first time that you were proud of yourself? Like, what was that event?
Actually, when I passed out from the college, right, when I joined in the job, though I am from electrical background, I chose IT industry to be as a developer. So in the beginning, I also had some doubts like whether I can sustain or I can learn or not. Like that, some of the always everyone will get such type of
Right.
ideas into their mind. So when I joined there, there will be exams and all, right, in the training.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm able to crack that one as a developer. Those whose performance is not so better, some of them has been into manual testing. But I grabbed that opportunity to be as a developer. So
Oh.
there I felt like, yeah,
Okay.
that was a proud moment.
So basically, what I can understand from this is you just wanted to be a developer from very beginning, right? And once you get the opportunity to be a developer in any company, whether it is a startup or whatever it is, you just grab that opportunity. Is that what you were saying?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
that's
exactly.
great. That's great. So, what is your opinion? I just wanted to know about your opinion on if a person should focus on their job role or the company. What is your
As a fresher, right, whatever you get it, you should take it. And see, some of my friends who got as a testers, right, now they are trying to move to developing as well. So whatever you get as a fresher, right, whatever you get the
Mhm.
opportunity, first you grab it, and then you show that you can do it. Then things will happen in your way.
That's great. That's really motivating, actually. We should grab the opportunity whichever comes front. That's
Yeah,
good. So I'll just try to know
yeah,
about how did you get this opportunity on DXC technology? What was the career path that you chose to get this opportunity?
yeah. So when I was in the BTech final year, right,
Yeah.
so I have given CoCubes exam. So
Mhm.
based on my score, you will get some notifications in the
Mhm.
CoCubes application. You will get some list of colleges for which you are eligible to apply based on your score. It will be so like that.
Okay.
I have got eligibility criteria for this one DXA technology. Then I have
Mhm.
applied for it.
Okay. Okay. So I even heard that co-cubes
So
don't give much opportunity to a student. They try to bribe the students and get the money, and then they disappear. So from your experience, I can understand that co-cubes is also a good platform on which people can rely upon. Is that?
it's a very good platform where see
Okay.
one can give one exam and can
Mhm.
apply for many MNCs, many companies they can apply with
Yeah,
one exam.
this is good thing about CoCubes or any such platform. My next question would be about eligibility criteria and about selection process. Like, what was the eligibility criteria for this company, and what is the selection process in the overall?
Uh, okay, when I was applied, right, it was between 60 to 70.
Okay.
I think it would be 65, I think.
Mhm.
And then the selection process is like in my case when I have applied through the CoCubes. So
Mhm.
once you are eligible and if you apply it right, so based on your score you will get that eligibility criteria from CoCubes. That also
Okay.
matters here. So
Mhm.
once you are eligible, then you will be get notified to attend the interview date. You will be get notified, and
Mhm.
then in the interview process, um, technical round will be there and HR round will be there.
How many rounds did you say? Only 2 rounds, right?
Yeah, once the CoCubes exam is over, so
Okay.
then technical
First
round
step
and
is you have to
HR
clear
round will be
your
there.
written exam. CoCubes written exam. Then second is technical.
Yeah,
Third is HR.
CoCubes written. Yeah,
What was the question that was asked in the interview? Can you walk us through that?
uh, sure. Since from the basics of like
Mhm.
variables, data types, and it mainly matters depends on what you keep in the resume. Whatever the languages that you give in the resume, based on that the questions will be. In my
Okay.
case, I have given basics of C and some other languages. Then they have asked me on mainly on C, like data types, variables, and then arrays,
Mhm.
constructors, then some two programs.
So
Those two
I think
programs
it
are
is.
Fibonacci and
Mhm.
factorial.
I think it is good to include our college project in our resume, right?
They will mainly ask on project too, in depth about the project.
Okay. Okay.
What's our contribution in the project, and reminding those things, the scope of the project, everything. One need to be fully thorough on the project that they do.
Guys, so if you
Exactly.
need any tips for resume writing, let us know in the comment section so that will make a separate video on this. Okay. Okay. So my next question would be, what is your job role? As you already mentioned that you are a developer in your company. So what is the basic role that you do in your company? I mean, can you just illustrate on developer role?
Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, as a product developer, I'm working now. It's a full stack developer, a front end and as well as a back end.
I mean, what programming language is used
It's
for your, yes.
in the back end, right? .NET,
Yeah.
.NET, C Sharp language. And when it comes to the front end, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, and CSS. These things we use, and in .NET mainly we use .NET MVC. And going forward, there is a plan to migrate it to .NET Core 2, .NET
Okay.
Core.
Know the steps for fresher to apply for this job. What are the steps?
One step, the one which I followed, right? They can choose
Yeah,
through
CoCubes.
CoCubes. Other one is yeah, and the second one is DXC is hiring through campus placements as well, and the third one is walk-ins.
Okay. So I think these three are recommended from you. Okay. So the next question is, what tools are
Yeah,
used for database management system in DXC?
yeah. Uh, in DXC, there are in our product, right? There are both SQL Server and as well as Oracle.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
for Oracle, we use SQL Developer
Mhm.
tool, and for SQL Server, we use SQL Server Management System (SSMS).
Okay, okay. So I'll move into the next question. What are the online courses that you recommend for fresher to do?
First thing is uh, now the fast moving things are Python, and they can concentrate on the data science as well, and Amazon's services, AWS. These things are very good nowadays.
Okay, so
Mainly, the future will
mhm,
be mostly focusing on AI, right?
yeah,
Artificial
yeah.
intelligence. So
Mhm.
this will help.
Okay. So you are already working in a company. So can I know about a fact that there are many students who say about if they are doing a machine learning course and if he or she is specialized in machine learning or artificial intelligence, they don't get the job so easily. Is that true?
Yeah, actually, yeah, it is.
Okay. So they have to be very
For
good
freshers,
enough to
yeah,
compete, right?
yeah, if they are doing AWS, right, if they can get the certification from the Amazon, that
Mhm,
would be really a good thing.
mhm. Okay.
Then they
So
can easily get the job with that certification.
okay. And I would like to basically know that from where did you get all this information about applying to DXC? From there may be some website or maybe YouTube channel. So what was the source of your information?
YouTube channels like TechnoJob is also are doing wonderful things. They are posting whenever there is any notification. They're right away uploading about it and how to apply and all those things. So, it's a very good channel. I would recommend people to follow this. And
Okay,
also
thank you.
they can go through Naukri or like I said, right?
Hmm.
Uh, CoCubes is also one of the best things. There itself, you will get notified.
Okay, great. I would now like to know about the salary that you were offered initially at the time of joining, and what is the current scenario right now?
When I joined, it was a 3.36 lakh per
Okay.
annum, and
Mhm.
now in this March, I'll be getting a hike based on my performance. It is based on the performance that you do.
Okay. I would like to know about one major challenge that you face in working in a startup company like DXC and other startup company.
Okay, so working in a startup company is like you will have more work only. Relatively, the top MNCs, I know a startup company will have more work only. But being a fresher, right, you will get enough knowledge, you will get enough work, and you can build yourself. When you are working more, that will give you real challenges, and that's a really good experience to work in a startup as being a fresher. That I would recommend. See,
It
you
is
will get
really,
more
really
opportunities to
motivating.
work, right?
I really love the way that you say about this
Yeah.
thing. It is a very good opportunity that people choose to work in a startup as well. And yeah, beyond that, we have come to the last of the interview. This thing, your interview experience. So that was great talking to you. Now, is there any tips that you want to give for the final year student and the third year students for the tier 3 colleges or and any other colleges? What tips do you want to give?
I what I would give is first of all, whenever there is any notification, first you people just apply it and keep giving the exams. Never give up. And whatever the opportunity you get, it be it a startup or any company, it is grab every opportunity and prove that you are the best, and you can do anything in your life with the positive attitude.
That was really motivating, man. It is great talking to you, and it was great interviewing you as well.
Thank you.
Okay. So thank you so much, Uday, for giving us some time to shoot this interview and letting us know about DXC technology as well, and also working on startup everything, the overall experience. So it was great talking to you. And also, guys, if you like this video,
Thank you,
press the
Arvind.
like button and hit subscribe if you have not subscribed, and share it with your friends to know more about the startup companies and DXC technology. Okay. So till the next video, bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much.